You're watching this video right now, but what if I told you that another you, at this very moment, is doing something completely different, in another world? Would you believe it? Science says we don't live in just one universe, but in a multiverse, where every decision, every thought, and every possibility creates a new universe of its own. This idea came in 1957 from physicist Hugh Everett, who proposed the many worlds interpretation. He believed that whenever a quantum event occurs, like an electron being in two places at once, nature doesn't choose one outcome, it records both, in separate universes. So if you decide to drink tea, in one universe you do, and in another, you don't. Every small choice you make gives birth to a new reality, a new world. This isn't just imagination, it's a deep truth of quantum physics. Because when we observe a particle, we find it in one position, but until we look, it exists in all possible states simultaneously, a phenomenon called superposition. Every observation is the moment when one universe collapses, and another is born. Think about it. Every time you say, yes, or, no, another version of you writes a new story, in a different reality. It sounds insane, but at the quantum level, every particle creates its own mini-universe. Scientists talk about quantum entanglement, where two particles, even if separated by billions of kilometers, instantly affect each other. This reaction happens faster than light, something Einstein called spooky action at a distance. But the question is, how does this connection happen? Is there some unseen dimension where these signals travel, or are these particles linked through parallel universes? Some cosmologists say that when the Big Bang occurred, not one, but many universes were born together, an infinite cosmic foam, where every bubble is a universe with slightly different physical laws. In some, gravity is stronger. In others, light moves slower. In some, life itself may be impossible. Yet, all these universes coexist, without ever colliding. It sounds like fantasy, but mathematics and quantum mechanics both suggest that the multiverse could be real. Yet, the deepest question remains, if infinite versions of us exist, what meaning do our choices really have? Are we simply following a script written in infinite copies? Maybe, in every universe, a different you makes a different choice. One wins, another loses, one takes a completely new path. Every world has its own you, different, yet still you. This isn't just physics, it's philosophy. It shakes the very foundation of what we call existence. If every possibility happens somewhere, does an original version of you even exist? Or are we all reflections in an infinite mirror, forever repeating? Maybe when you dream, your mind is receiving signals from another version of you, a glimpse into another universe. Perhaps déjà vu is proof of that, a moment that feels like it has already happened, because maybe it has, in another dimension. Science isn't yet advanced enough to prove this, but new discoveries in quantum research and string theory suggest that multiple dimensions do exist. And if dimensions exist, then life across them might too. So the next time you think, what if I had made that choice? Or, what if my life had turned out differently? Remember, somewhere, another you did make that choice, and in that universe, that dream came true.